So welcome back, traders, to another exciting session. If you're just joining us, welcome to ZyusFX. We are currently on the 1 hour time frame on US oil. We are currently in a buy. Here is our stop loss placement, and here was our entry. So if you are not in this trade already, you should wait for price to still come back to the level so that you get a more smaller stop loss. As you can see, we have a decent stop loss placement below the weak areas, below the level. And on pound JPY, currently we have a sell stop order below the trend line, so we expect price to break the level and trigger us into the trade. We are currently out of the trade right now. We are still waiting to get trigger in when price start pushing down, and our stop loss safely above the candle. Before we set our TP, for now we are not yet triggered into the trade. So we expect price to keep pushing up. This is a 1 hour time frame, and you can, and yes, where price has respected for a while, you can see multiple weak rejection around the area that indicate failure to break below the level, and that was why we took the buy. So we expect price to keep pushing up. A few likes. I need this live stream to get to 10 likes, at least 10 likes. We have many viewers, but few likes. So if you are getting any value from the live stream, you should like the video, and if you are not getting any value, you should dislike the video. It does well for the algorithm. It takes you a second to do that, and if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel. massively adjust our risks, but I'm not going break even yet. We're only going to adjust it to half, so that even though the market go against us, we're only going to be risking 0.5%. So I'm going to adjust my stop loss now. 94, 75. Let's do that really quickly. And if you're on the live stream, you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Like the stream so that you get notified whenever we're having these live streams. You can share it with your friends who might benefit from it. So we have adjusted our stop loss to half. Always remember risks before reward. You should manage your risks effectively. And as you can see, we haven't set our TP yet. I'll take profit. I just focus on the risks. So we need price to push a little bit so that we can fully go to break even and remove the risks from the trade, so that we'll start focusing on our target. Price is likely to come back up to these levels. So let's see. I think we are on go break even now. We have a 1-to-1. So we'll remove the risks from the trade now. And if price come back against us, I guess that's it. But I'm not risking it for peace. I'm going break even. 25, 20. So I've removed the risks from this trade. We have a free trade now running, and we are still in profit. We have this live session. We trade a New York session for an hour every day. We give you forex trading tips, especially if you are taking a profit challenge. Show you the strategy and patterns to identify in the market, so that you make the most sound decision when you are taking your trade. Remember, the first rule when you come to your chart is to mark out your key levels. As you can see, we have marked out our structural high and our structural lows, and always use the 4-hour time frame or the 1 hour. But I personally recommend to use the 4-hour time frame because it's the best. As you can see, it's because of this weak rejection and the break of this level that we mark out this level. Price came back twice and couldn't break below, so that was another reason why we marked this low. And we have a break of this level. Price came back and did the same thing. You can see multiple weak rejections here. Now we scale down to the 1 hour, you can see it clearly. Multiple weak rejections signifying that price is failing to break below. So this is a strong level of taking your trade. The probability of winning increases. So I think we're laughing all the way to the bank. We're in good position right now. Price is pushing up, and we have removed the risks from the trade. So whatever happens now, I think we'll be well off. We have a free trade running, and I guess we can manage our trade effectively before price gets to these weak areas. So what I can do now is I can adjust our stop loss around this, below this last candle, this open candle. So let's do that. start scaling up into profits. So I think this will be so I'm profit right now. So I think we'll soon be closing this trade. I don't hold my trade too long, and because of these weak rejections, I'm not comfortable holding it for that long. So I'm soon going to close this trade. So we are currently on the pound JPY chart, the 1 hour time frame. We set a sell stop order around this, below this trend line. So we're almost triggered into the trade. So all we need price is to push down so that we can get trigger in. As you can see, we're almost triggered, and here is our stop loss above the weak areas. So almost trigger into the trade. You have to be patient and wait for it. Expect price to go down. If price is going to continue up, there's no reason to break this level. So we're almost trigger into the trade now. So I think we'll be closing one position. Shouldn't have multiple positions running at the same time. So I think I'll be closing our US oil trade any moment from now. Hey.
Enjoy music, enjoy life.
So welcome back, traders. We have taken two trades on this live stream, and if you are just joining us, you should like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever we're having this live stream. There's a lot to be learned. We share tips and strategy on how to take, if you are buying a profit challenge, show you tips on and ways on how to pass your verification and evaluation phase and get funded. So we took two trades today. The first trade was on US oil. We closed that with a 1-to-1 risk to reward, which is not bad. And the second one was on pound JPY. So we took that trade and price pushed in our direction a little, and we got stopped out. So I think we end the day with 1/4%, or let's say yeah, let's say almost half of a percent. But not bad. Remember, trading, you won't always make profit each day. Each day is not going to be profit making day. Some days you lose, and some days you win, and some days you just go break even. So have a wonderful day yesterday, and today still a wonderful day. In loss, we still managed to make some profits. Profit is profit, and as a rule of thumb, we always take only 2 trades per day. Trades. So I'm done for the day. I'm calling it today. So if you are currently on the pound JPY chart, if you should still wait and see what happens at this level. You should scale down to your 15 minutes time frame. If price did not break above these weak areas, I think you should be selling the market. But just wait and maybe for another one to open. If price is not close above these weak areas, that means the momentum is still down and you can still sell the market, or you can safely place your sell stop order below these weak areas so that you can only get trigger in when price start moving down in your direction. Alright, so that you can only get trigger in when price start moving down in your direction. Sorry about the background noise. Place where I am is a little bit noisy. I'm not in my trading office now, but just focus on the lesson here. You can still sell this, but just wait and see if price is not breaking above this level. If price still close below these weak areas, I think you can still sell the market. And we haven't traded gold today. I don't think gold is doing much. There are many wicks on gold. But the last trade we took was on, let me see, yeah. So the first trade was on US oil. Let me break it down for you. So for the US oil, the analysis was price broke this level. Price broke this level here and came back for a retest. These weak areas. And remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. So you can see multiple weak rejection around the area. This is a sign that price was failing to break back below into structure. So when we scale down to the 1-hour time frame, we see price was holding at this level, and that was the reason why we took the buy around this area here, this level. We took the buy and safely placed our stop loss below this level. Here was our initial target, but I guess I closed the trade too early. So that's just it for you. Remember, whenever money is in, whenever trading is trading, we all have emotions. So don't think you are the only one having this emotion. Everyone have it, especially when money is at stake. But I choose to take the profit earlier on. But whenever I have a plan, I always stick to it, and that's what you need to be doing. When you plan to take a buy or a sell, or when you plan to take a trade or you take profit, you should stick to it. Because whenever you go against your trading plan, it mess up with you mentally, and you start revenge trading and doing dumb shit. So always have a plan, have your entries and your exits, because most traders only know when to enter, they don't know when to exit a trade. You get greedy and price finally turn back on them. So I'm happy about today's trading. I'm hoping you guys learned a lot and got some tips. And as you know, this is the weekend, so our next live session will start on Monday. So thank you all, and if you haven't liked the video, you should like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Here we share tips and strategies, and we give out free signal in our WhatsApp group community. And the rule of thumb, I always say this: if you are trading, if you are taking a profit challenge, don't trade the news, don't stack up position, and use a moderate lot size. Always risk 1% of your overall account size. So I'm going to be ending this live stream now. Thank you. See you next time.